Imagine walking outside on a beautiful day, sun shining, birds singing, everything feels safe. Suddenly the world changes, the earth stops spinning for 5 seconds. In that instant the ground is ripped out from under you, you're hurled forward at incredible speed. Trees, buildings, cars, everything not anchored deep into the planet flies through the air. The peaceful day vanishes, replaced by chaos. The air turns into a wall, the oceans rise in fury. For 5 seconds the world is a blender of destruction. Let's count them down. 1. You're airborne. 2. The world blurs. 3. A deafening roar. 4. The air slams into you. 5. The world is broken. The 5 seconds end. The earth spins again. But what's left? The world is shattered. This is the story of the longest 5 seconds in history. Thankfully, it's just a story. But it reveals something amazing about our spinning planet. The ground beneath us is only safe because of the Earth's constant gentle spin. Let's find out why. Why does Earth spin? It all started billions of years ago when a spinning cloud of gas and dust formed our solar system. As the cloud spun, it flattened, and the planets, including Earth, kept that motion. Today, Earth spins at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. You, the air, the oceans, and everything else are moving at that speed right now. We don't feel it because everything moves together, like passengers in a smooth-flying airplane. You only notice motion when it changes, like takeoff or landing. Earth's steady spin gives us day and night, drives weather, and sets the rhythm for all life. Plants, animals, and humans depend on this cycle. The spin is the heartbeat of our planet. But what if that rhythm stopped, even for a moment? The answer is dramatic. The world as we know it would be instantly transformed. Let's see how. Imagine riding on the roof of a car speeding at 1,000 miles per hour. If the car hits a wall, you keep moving, thanks to inertia. Now imagine the Earth is that car, and you're on top. If the Earth suddenly stops, you, the buildings, the oceans, everything keeps moving eastward at 1,000 miles per hour. It's not a push, it's like being fired from a cannon. Anything not anchored to bedrock is swept away. Winds faster than any hurricane would tear across the land. Even mountains could be scraped by the force. The surface would be scoured clean, a giant debris field. There's no seatbelt for the planet. The laws of physics become our enemy. The 5-second stop is the ultimate planetary crash. Nothing could prepare us for it. The world would be unrecognizable in moments. And that's just the beginning. The oceans, like everything else, keep moving when the Earth stops. Massive tsunamis, miles high, would sweep over continents in minutes. No mountain would be high enough to escape. The water would scour the land to bedrock. Supersonic winds, over 1,000 miles per hour, would flatten everything. The friction would ignite fires across the globe. The air and water would erase cities, forests, and even reshape continents. The sound would be deafening, a global roar of destruction. For 5 seconds, Earth's surface would be the most violent place in the universe. The familiar face of our planet would vanish. All life would be caught in a storm of water, wind, and debris. In moments, the world would be scarred and unrecognizable, and the chaos wouldn't stop there. The destruction goes deeper than the surface. Earth's core is a spinning ocean of molten metal, creating our magnetic field. When the crust stops, the liquid core keeps spinning, like coffee sloshing in a cup. The core would slam into the mantle, causing unimaginable stress. Global earthquakes would shatter the crust. Volcanoes everywhere would erupt, spewing ash and lava. The ground would shake, split, and pour out fire. The sky would darken with ash and dust. The 5-second pause would trigger a chain reaction inside the planet. The very foundations of Earth would be broken. The chaos above would be matched by chaos below. The planet would seem to tear itself apart. Survival would be nearly impossible. After 5 seconds, the Earth starts spinning again, violently. The sudden acceleration throws debris in the opposite direction. Water recedes in massive, churning whirlpools, dragging mud and rubble. Coastlines are redrawn, continents buried under sediment. Survivors, if any, face a world of ruins and ash. The air is thick with dust, blocking sunlight and dropping temperatures. Poisonous gases fill the sky. No food, no clean water, just a fight for survival. The magnetic field may be gone, exposing the surface to deadly radiation. The 5-second pause resets the planet in the harshest way. Life's web, built over billions of years, is shattered. The world is silent, dark, and hostile. The return of the spin marks the start of a long, dark age. Could this really happen? No, it's impossible. No force could stop and restart Earth's spin like this. The laws of physics keep our planet spinning for billions of years. This is just a thought experiment, a way to explore what makes Earth special. The spin gives us day-night weather and a magnetic shield. We rarely notice it, but it's essential for life. Thinking about losing it helps us appreciate what we have. Our planet is perfectly balanced, a cosmic dance we're lucky to join. Even the invisible forces shape every moment of our lives. The 5-second stop reminds us, the most important things are often the ones we never feel.